Musa gadda ustad gadda ni masa balu
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, merciful, and real honor of the world. Respectable Chief Guest, Honorable MPs, and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Muhammad Jamale from the behalf of Trainees Batch 2. At the first, its origin might seem peculiar, but in fact, households and institutions have much in common. A household faces many decisions. It must decide which members of the household do which task and what each member gets in return. Numbers of questions arise in the field of household. Who cooks dinner? Who does the laundry? Who gets the extra dessert at dinner? Who chooses what TV shows to watch? Answer is that household must allocate its limited resources among its various members, taking into account each member's abilities, efforts, and desires. My chief guest and other MPs, my dear brothers and sisters, an opportunity has been given to me to deliver a reflection at the macro level, which is a huge honor for me. So far, I'm thankful to those who invite me. My dear viewers, I want to draw your attention about the most piece of work which we have learned here. At the micro level, we have learned certain things, but here my main target is to point out or highlight the things at a macro level. So, first of all, as like at the macro level, I have selected many points, but here I will define or express some crucial, the things which are basic priorities, the position of a student. I have a clearly remember when I entered in the class here, I don't know what was the position of a student, or simply I can say that what should be the position of a student at a classroom. At the initial term there were certain doubts, but with the passage of time, I feel that, and my MTs, trainers, hinged or hesitate and doubt that the position of a student is like a king if he is a boy. The position of a student is like a queen if she is a girl. The second one, my main objective is the position of teacher. Everywhere we are running, we persons are educated. There are several doubts in our mind. But really, we don't know about the actual position of teacher. But here, with the power of trainers, with the technical skills, they have expressed that the original position of teacher is like answerable toward a student. Basically, we all are know about the situations of child. When child is in a growing age, my dear listeners, he has a need some fulfill of the space of mind. It means that a student or a child can make several questions or hundreds of questions. It is the responsibility of a teacher to give him answer in any step of the field of education. The third one objective is rules and regulation. My dear brothers, you all know that rules and regulations play a key role for the success of life. Those persons who pass their life with the rules, it means that they have get a success. The person who want to become an intellectual or punctual, he has a need to follow the rules and regulations. Here, our master trainers also invite us to learn the rules and regulations and follow your instructions and your classes. After that, credibility and appreciation. I'm giving you an example. Suppose a student is doing a colorful job. My dear listeners, colorful means a tremendous, excellent, credibility job. So it is the duty of a teacher to give him a credit and appreciation, to enhance his emotions, to enhance his capacity. After it, the object is lesson plan. For instance, a teacher is going to deliver a lesson. How he can motivate the students? So first of all, being a teacher, it's necessary for him to follow the instruction of lesson plans. How we make an interaction with the source of lesson plans. Already you have cleared. Already you all know. Also we have learned in our class. So there are perceptions. Few teachers have a hard attitude. So here, my master trainers give us a lesson about the teacher. Teacher should have a lovely, charming and interesting attitude toward the student. So whenever a teacher is going to transfer his knowledge, he should have a attractive face value with the charming, with the blessing method. After homework or exercise. So it is the main work of teachers to give to the students, especially work as like a homework or exercise. So broadly speaking, that practice makes math perfect. It is a proverb. It's the word is running all over the world. Practice makes math perfect. As much as when we do practice, we get higher response and return. After that, busiest. Whenever teacher is lazy, suppose I am a teacher, I am lazy, I had you. What will be the response of a student? It means that it will not give a correct answer or correct functions. So it means that always it is the main work of teacher to give them masterpiece of work. Is student should be a busy ever whenever he is in a class. Here, on the other hand, we have learned much more things. My dear viewers, MTs and chief guests, I have much more things for deliver, but with the shortage of time, I can't express anything. So, it means that the crucial points I have explained. So, here, I want apologize from my trainers, such as Mr. Sher Muhammad, Mr. Akhtar, Mr. Seetal, Sir, Mr. Seetal. Sir, basically, we were a trainer, we were a newcomers. Maybe we have made many mistakes if you fail. Relevant or irrelevant, visible or invisible, knowing or unknowing. If you fail, then I want to, being a representative of my class, I want to make a apologize. I hope you will obey. Friends, I want to congratulate all of you. You have get a success. I hope at the end I am praying and we all has a best wish. We will follow the rules, regulations, instructions, everything we have learned here. So at the end I don't forget the original and real lecture of Sir Akhtar. He told us that world only will provide us possibilities and opportunities. So it means that if next time if we get opportunities, then we will make another colorful things. So that's all. Thank you.
Give the reflections.